We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
DLCI replaces ssd1 and DLCII replaces ssd2. Soldiers currently enrolled in ssd1 or ssd2 have until the 30th of September 2019 to complete the course. Soldiers failing to complete ssd1 or ssd2 will be disenrolled and enrolled in DLCI or DLCII, respectively by command quota managers.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.